What's up, guys? So I will be unboxing. Sorry. So it's called the Pro Heat 2 times Revolution Pet Pro Plus. It's made by Bissel, whatever the hell you name it. So this is supposed to be one of the best cleaning vacuums for pet mess and anything, I guess, like dirt on fabric. So it was not cheap. I think it was like around $400. I bought it like a month ago. I just didn't have the time to open it. So I will be unboxing this today as well. I will be making a video about this one, an unboxing video for the Little Green Pet Pro. So this is a smaller version of this. Also, this one's more portable. This one can be used probably like inside the house for carpets and stuff. I will be making videos on the effectiveness of each one. I'll be cleaning vehicles, car seats, carpets. Also try it on house carpets and stuff like that. So yeah, on another video I will be unboxing this one, and then from there I will be making videos on each one of them, cleaning different things and stuff. So let's get to it. So we'll do this one first. And yeah, if you wanna follow my channel, right now I'm gonna focus on doing cleaning. I'm gonna be doing detailing interiors for cars and trucks, semi trucks and stuff like that. So this is the reason why I bought them, because I want to do more of a deep clean, and stuff like that, like professional type of cleaning. So that's why I bought these two. I guess obviously I will see which one is more effective, if this one or this one. Maybe I don't even need this one, because it was a lot of money. Maybe I'll be good with this one, but I do need two, so that's why I bought like a good one and like the best one, and then this one. This one seems to have really good reviews on YouTube. So yeah, but for now let's just unbox, and then from there I will keep posting videos about the effectiveness and the work that they do. Okay, so a little bit about them. Attacks stains, spots. So it's supposed to attack like really tough stains. Fast drying. I don't know what that is. I guess once I get to use them and stuff, I'll see the fast drying. I also do have like stuff to dry spots, like a heater, and max clean mode. Includes these two, which I also bought separate. And then this is what it's supposed to look like, and it's probably gonna come with attachments. So when I was doing research, I was trying to see the capacity. So this one's a 1 gallon capacity. So imagine you can fit a gallon of milk, but obviously water. That's the equivalent. I also bought this one for the hose because it has a large 8 feet. I would hope it's feet hose. And then a brush cover. I think that's for I don't know, we'll see. Clean shot. Low profile and dual brushes, and 25 feet cord. And that would be helpful because I can reach places. And then it says includes 3 inches tough stains tool, pet upholstery tool, the cleaners, and formula and accessory bag. So all right, so let's open it. All right, so I don't know why this one's not taped. I bought it bought it at Best Buy. Alright, so right out of the box, it's got this, it's got some coupons, which is cool. Alright, so put this on the side. And then we got this. I guess this is the handle. And then it's got the accessories. So this is probably the 3-inch. I don't think this is a 3-inch. It's like 2-inch. So this is one. Then there's another one. This looks like a cap. This is a 3-inch. So this one's the big boy cleaner. I'll open them right now. And I'll take this one out later. Okay, so this is the handle, long handle. And then we got the 1 gallon reservoir or tank, whatever you want to call it. 1 gallon. And then we got the big boy. It's got a bag, and the bag includes the hose, so it is definitely 8 inches, 8 feet. So it's the hose right here, which I'm probably gonna be take it out and then put the accessories in here. Okay, and then it came with this pets and stain odor. So I guess this is to remove odor and urine eliminator, and probably to clean the stains. They're really tiny, to be honest, compared to the one I bought for like $10 each. This is only like 1/3 of it, or maybe 1/4 the size of them. So I mean, this is just like a little trial. So we got this really long, nice cord. That's really helpful for sure, because from here you can probably reach up to like as far. So yeah, that's good. And that was it. Then we got the big boy. So take it out, and there she is. So this is, I'm assuming this is where the tank goes, and this is where probably the long attachment goes. It's really nice looking. This is probably where the dirty water is gonna, whatever is dirty is gonna end up in here. It's easy to remove. Then looks nice. Then we got the actual so like it looks cheap, to be honest, but I mean, these have the best reviews. Like every time you go on Revolution, heat wave technology, and then you got your settings: deep, max clean, deep clean, and express clean. So yep, clean shot. Okay, so this is the unboxing pretty much. I'm not gonna show how it works. Right now I'm gonna remove the items from the bags and show you the items, and then I'm gonna try to put it all together and then take a final shot of everything together. Then, like I said, on a separate video I will show you how it works and stuff. So yeah, so like this. So actually, before that, we put this one in. Hold on. So yeah, it just lights in, like nothing crazy, just literally just light in. And then this part will slide right there, right in between these slots right here. And now this doesn't move, because before this was on, it was wiggling. Okay, so actually you have this, which is called a carrying handle. You're not supposed to, before putting the tank here, you gotta put this first, so I will show you. Okay, so this is called a carrying handle. This goes here. So there's a hole for this, and then it will match this area right here. So there we go. And then I gotta screw it. Supposedly there's a screw, but I gotta find it 'cause I don't see it. Okay, so actually the screw is right here. And then the screw just goes in there, and then screw it so that this will not move out of place, because it's gotta be secure because it's the carrying handle. So yeah, so the screw goes there, done. I still haven't put it all the way in, but you get the idea. Okay, and now we slide in the this like that. There we go. Okay, so now if you want to use the hose, which is what I'm going to be using mostly, right? This attachment goes in here, and see this round connection goes right here. So this is how it goes, like that. And then it's got the lock right there. So to remove it, you press this and pull it out, and to use it you gotta push it in and it's gonna click. So now it's attached properly. And then this is where I have my other end, and then this is where I will attach any of these attachments. After assembling, this is what I'm left with. The two like detergents, whatever. One just like a normal cleaner, and then we got this one, which is this is for like the deep cleaning 3-inch 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. So this one comes with like a little tank. I'm assuming that I gotta put the soap in there or whatever, and then this is just a little measurement cup for, I'm assuming, for that. So that's it. And then this seems, it says nozzle cleanout tool, and then on the other side it says brush roll hair remover. So I thought this was like a handle for it, but I guess it's not. I will use this when time comes to use it and show you. So yeah, this is what it looks like assembled. Pretty simple assembly. And then got the extra attachment, and then the attachments, once again you see this little nipple will go in here, so pretty simple. And then it just clicks right in. So then to release, I'm assuming it's, no, it's probably not here. Probably to release is right here, and then pull it out. Yeah, so this is the release. I just tried it right now. So you just pull and pull it out, and then you can use this one or this one. And I don't know if they have more. This one's probably to release steam or something, or water. But like I said, once the time comes, and I will show you guys how to use it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Then I will, next video is going to be unboxing this one. And yeah, follow me for, you want to see how to use these, because yeah, I don't think you want to spend $400 on this one, right? Especially, and for you to find out that it's not working like how you expected it to work. So I know that a lot of people buy these for like their houses, when they have dogs and stuff. So I will also try to clean sofas. I'll do everything with it. So follow if you want to see more videos of it working. And also this one, maybe you don't have to buy this one, maybe you can just buy that one, because the other one was like half the price. So yeah, thank you for watching.